Hello, everybody. I am Kyle Crowling. I am a freshman at Gull Lake High School, and in this video, I am showing you how I made my short film movie poster in my Introduction to Computer Science course. Let's get straight into it. First, I have to get an image such as a background. So, for that, I will go to Google Images, and I will search construction because my short film was mostly about building. So it makes kind of sense. So then I scrolled down here. I found one that looked about just right for what I wanted. And let's say it's this one. I'll just say that one. It's not that one, but let's just say it was. So, what I would have to do next is I would have to save the image as a JPEG or a PDF. Then I would have to go to my ICS page. Then I'd have to go to my photo editing. Then I would have to go to my raw files and background because this is my background. I would have to rename it like that one. I would have to rename it like this one right here. And then I would have to get a character and another object or character. So to get these two, I went into Microsoft Clipchamp. I went to my short film. And I just took a screenshot of a random place, like this, with the snipping tool. Like that. And in order to make it so I can actually put those images on each other and it looks nice, I would have to use the remove background tool on one or two of the images. For this, you would only have to click on an image, then drag. Oops, wait a minute. Of course, you gotta go and duplicate all these and go to your editing files. That way you can go, let's say over here, and then click and drag this over here. That way it'll go ahead and remove the background to it. Now it does have a few mistakes, such as right about there, but this offers a tool that lets you restore stuff. Like that. Look how nice that looks. Then if you download it, preview, then you would have to show it in your folder. Me personally, I prefer to just drag it from here, drop it down here, rename it so that it shows that it has no background. After you are done with getting all the no background images, you would have to install a little program called GIMP. Whoops. GIMP is the graphic image manipulation program. It is very simple to download and use. You just have to download it from there, and once it opens up, that's my final poster, but you'll see that in a bit, in a later few minutes. Let me just open this up. Then editing files. Let's just say I need my background. Got to make sure I have it in the correct poster form. So it is a portrait. And look at that, it's beautiful. Next up, you would have to maybe open up another image. add another layer to what I call over here a cake. Add another layer to the cake. If I can, I don't remember how to. But either way, you would be adding another layer once you drag and drop one of these. Then, if you go over here to the transform tool, you can stretch, you can turn them all weird sorts of ways. You can do that. I don't know what that is, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to shorten him and move him down here so he's on the dirt. Next up, you would just need some text, like that. Oops, font's too big, so I guess I gotta make it go down a bit. Let's say size 12. Hi everyone. Something like that. This works wonders. This is an amazing tool, and it's really easy to use. So next up, I will show you my final poster. Of course, actually, wait a minute. There's one more thing I forgot about. I used a QR code generator. I'm finding the link right now. There it is. I used a QR code generator to link my poster to my short film. With doing that, I have it right here. I don't know why it's just labeled frame, but it's my QR code. And I have put that on my poster. So when I open up my poster, there we go. If I just open up, not that one, I need my final poster. There we go. If I just open that up, you can see I have a QR code right there. Now, when I zoom out, you can probably scan it right about now. Or you can just go to my ePortfolio and look at it there. I don't think I have published the update for it yet, but eventually there's going to be a section under my short film so that this entire section will be there. To ensure that you have a good way of organizing your things, I use a simple little way of organizing all of my files. I just use files inside of files inside of files. Like inside of my Kyle Crolling file, I use the ICS file, the photo editing, ePortfolio, Python programming, short film, and video game development files. For this case, I'm just going to go to my photo editing. Then I have editing files, my final poster, my short film QR code, and my raw files. Each one of these has their own files inside, other than these two. Now, my raw and editing file all have the same exact things. This one is for the material I used first. That way, I wouldn't accidentally delete it from everything. Now, sorry for the abrupt outro, but thank you all for watching. I hope you all will check out my ePortfolio, and there is a contact me page on it if there is anything wrong. I hope you all have a great day and have a great night.